I'm the captain now.
Oh no, I'm late. Morning, Abby. Huh. She's not here. It must be later than I thought. Guess I don't have time for a tie today.
Where's John? Oh, here he is!
Sorry I'm late, guys.
Who are you?
Oh, sorry, I didn't have time to put on my usual tie this morning.
That's not very funny. Not funny.
No, we have an agenda we've got to talk about.
You have an agenda? We have a serious discussion going on here at lunch. What the heck are you talking about? You have a serious agenda.
We were supposed to meet today at lunch. You told me to come down and meet.
You get out! Go! Shoo!
What the hell is that about? Abby?
Hey! You're not my dad!
Okay, so right now, Abby wants to figure out if she can outrun Mr. Tig to the door. So Abby moves at a velocity of x squared plus 4x minus 7. And she knows she's 5 feet from the door. So we're going to integrate her velocity and set it equal to 5 feet. And we need to find the time. So to find the time, I went to my graphic calculator. I plugged in this equation, found where it intersects 5, and her time is 2.92 seconds to the door. Mr. Tig knows that he's 10 feet from the door, and he needs to figure out how fast he would move in order to beat Abby to the door. So we have his 10 feet over her 2.92 seconds, so he needs to move at a speed of 3.424 feet per second. Unfortunately, even in his heyday, he could only move 2.99 feet per second, so Abby will make it out the door safe.
Until he made a little wish.
I wish I were big.
Sweetheart, 7:30, are you up? Time!
20th Century Fox presents Tom Hanks. Big.
I turned into a grown-up, Mom. I made this wish.
Hey Gabe, I need some help.
Are you a new student here? Are you transferring in?
No, it's me, your mentor, John Tig. That's what I need help with. I went to bed the other night, and when I woke up, I was young. And I need some sort of explanation. That's it.
Okay. So you went to bed and you were still yourself.
Yes.
Okay. Did you have any dreams? Did you feel anything? Did you wake up during the night?
No.
Okay, so you just woke up and you had like a younger self?
Yeah.
Okay. I think this is obviously an extreme case, but I think I'm familiar. There's some. It's a biological concept, but what happens is I know you've been going through some big life changes. You know, you got the new job. Congrats. This is obviously an extreme case. You know, you should probably check your doctor if there's anything else going on. But I think you're going to be okay. It's just that you're using a new part of your genome because of the transfer.
So how can I fix this?
If you want to change it, I think your best bet is probably Mr. Lane. If he's not here, he doesn't know what to do, you can try Mr. Pfeiffer. And then, I kind of hesitate to say this, but if that doesn't work out, there are some wizards in the woods that might be able to help you.
Okay, check that out.
Good
Thanks,
luck,
Gib.
John. Yeah.
Please send in John Tague. Thank you. You're not John Tague.
But I am, Doctor. That's what I've come to talk to you about. When I went to bed last night, I was myself, and when I woke up, I was different.
That's impossible, sir.
I know, but I know what I am, and it's not me.
Let me write you something. It'll take effect in 2 minutes. Call me in the morning.
Thank you. Hey, Tom, I need some help.
Tom? I don't believe I know you. Students usually refer to me as Mr. Lane.
It's me, John Tague.
Oh. Look somewhat similar. Okay. What happened to you, John?
I don't know. I just woke up like this.
You need some help.
Yeah, I was just talking to Gabe, and he was telling me that sometimes when a big change occurs in your life, your mind reverts to a younger state. And usually it's mental, but in this case it was more physical.
Wow, I've never seen that happen before.
He said you might be able to help me with some herbs or something.
I think. Yeah, I think I have some. I think. Yeah, let's give it a try here. Come on back here, and got a bunch of different plant materials here. You should see the effects of it though within a couple minutes. They may include projectile vomiting, but just be prepared.
What the hell? I wasn't gone that long. Tom, you old you. Hey, Tom, I need some help.
Don't call me Tom. Only teachers can call me that. I don't even know who you are.
It's me, John Tague.
You're not John.
Yeah, I am. I went to bed last night or the other night, and when I woke up, I had changed to this.
That doesn't sound plausible to me.
I was just talking to Gabe a little while ago, and he was telling me that sometimes when there's a big change in our lives, that our minds tend to revert to a younger state. Usually it's mental, but for some reason mine was more physical.
Gabe said that? I think I'll see what I can do with some different chemicals I have. I should have something in about 2 minutes or so.
So Mr. Tague needs to go into the woods to find the wizard, and he knows that there is a stream in front of the woods, and then there's a big area that starts with the woods, and he uses the function f of x equals 20 minus x squared, and then g of x, which equals x. And so by finding the roots, he's able to get -5 and 4, and then he sets up the integral, which then creates how many meters he needs, which is 91.5 meters, to go into the woods and find the wizard.
Hello, my child. How are you this fine evening?
I've been better. Who the hell are you?
I'm wizard number 1 under the bridge. How are you today?
I'm been better, wizard number 1.
Who'd you steal that from, sir?
That's me, but I have a problem, Wizard number 1.
What is your problem, John Tate?
I used to be, well, that, and now I'm young again, which doesn't seem bad, but I want to be me again, Wizard number 1.
I have just the solution for you, young sir. I mean, old sir. My friend over there, Wizard number 2, in the porta potty. He can assist you with your growth habits, or lack thereof. So, have a fine day.
That was weird. Let's go to Wizard number 2. Where's the porta potty?
Oh, excuse me, the porta potty's that way.
Oh, thank you. Wizard number 2.
I'm wizard number 2. And who are you?
I'm John Tate, Wizard number 2.
That's not you. Where did you steal this from?
You see, that's the problem. I just saw Wizard number 1 in the woods, and he told me to come here. This is me, but I had an incident. I somehow woke up like this. I'm fucked.
Well, John Tate, my brother can't help you. I can. I will brew you a potion. Wait here. 2 minutes is all I need.
Two minutes is a long time.
It's busy! I'm busy!
Alright guys, welcome to Free Calc. Let's get started.
Who are you?
What are you guys talking about?
Where's Mr. Tate? You're Bob.
No, I'm Mr. Tate.
You're not Mr. Tate.
Oh, it's the shorts. I'm sorry. Yeah, I shouldn't have worn shorts today. That was my bad.
No, but where's your mustache? You're not bald.
I don't know what you mean. Anyway, we were working on slopes. I think you guys have some slopes to work on. So let's work on slopes.
Wait!
Oh.
Sir!
What? Are you talking to me?
Yes. I've been seeing you around lately. At the dentist, in line for the bathroom, in my classrooms. I think we should get to know each other.
I don't know who you are, but I'm a teacher here, and that would be very inappropriate.
I'm pretty sure you're not a teacher.
I may not look it right now, but believe me, I am a teacher here.
Are you rejecting me?
The coal leads the female instrument.
Yes?
I'd like to come in
Why?
to get a drink,
We don't allow anyone under 21 in here.
but I'm almost 51.
Okay, 18-year-old. Go back to your playground.
Even if nobody else believes you, I know you're Mr. Tate.
You know, that means a lot, Ben. Thank you. And if I ever had a son, I would name him Ben Tag.
Oh, Mr. Tay, could you come down to the office for a minute? I want to talk to you about something. Thanks. Please. Hey, how's it going?
Good.
So I called you down here because I've had some reports that people feel like you're not you and that you're maybe a student that's randomly gotten into school with your badge, and people are starting to get a little creeped out.
But I am Mr. Tag. I'm supposed to be out teaching.
But they don't think that you look like yourself.
I don't see what the
Let me
problem.
see your badge. Because honestly, you look a little different than the badge. So So you're not really.
I am Mr. Tag.
But you don't look like him. You
I
look a
swear.
whole lot younger.
I went to bed
And
one night.
handsomer.
I went to bed one night, and when I woke up, I somehow transformed into this.
Wow. So why don't we do this? Why don't you take the badge off and put it on my desk? And maybe you ought to step outside and think about whether you should be here or not. And since nobody, including me, thinks that you're the real Mr. Tag, 5 minutes if you're still out there, and I have to call this.
You John Tag?
I haven't seen John Tag at all. Why?
I'm here to collect his taxes.
Oh, poor him.
Well, I'll go and try and find him.
He can do the continuous method, which is A to the P, which is principal, which is the 15,000, times E to the 0.1, which is our rate of compound, and 5 years is our time. And after 5 years on the continual method, Mr. Tag will have $15,769.06, or he could do the other way, which is P, our principal, again, 15,000 times 1 plus our rate of interest divided by the amount of time that interest is added, which we have once a week, so there are 52 weeks in a year, to the 52 weeks in a year again times 5 years, and that amounts to $15,768.99. So by a whopping, 8 cents, it is better for Mr. Tag to go with the continuous method. And I might be wrong, it's only 7 cents.
Hi, welcome.
Hello.
What's your name?
Ben Tag.
Okay, hi Ben. Welcome to Fairfax. Okay, Ben, I think we've got your schedule all set here. We'll put the copy in the folder for you there. We're going to have you go ahead and start tomorrow. Should we head off on a tour so you know where all those classes are?
I think I'm all good. Thank you, Kat. Miss McElroy.
Say something, I'm giving up. Like I love you. Jesse, no.
Ben! Fucking A, Ben!
Why? What is wrong with you, son?
Ben!
Say something, I'm giving up.